Hello, today I will be demoing my final project for CIS174. So today I will be demonstrating my group's planner application. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a demo of the actual project itself running. So this right here is just, filler. It was just default what we had. But when clicking view reminders, it'll take you to a list of your reminders in the database, as well as view checklist would also just take you to this with a blue button. But so I'm gonna add a reminder real fast. So I'm gonna do, just gonna say vet appointment, vaccines. Adding a description, and then clicking this, you'll get a calendar drop down where you can click the month, the day, the year, and the time as well. I'll just say this PM. I'm going to create it. Now, it is now in the database. We can go ahead and edit, any information. Maybe change this to like just dog checkup. So you can see you were able to edit with the description, the date, the time of the reminder. Now you can do the same thing with checklists here. You can add a new checklist. Now currently it is you can only do 3 items, but I'm just going to do homework. Let me just like homework, and then I'm going to do JavaScript, loops, math, and an essay for comp 2. If I could type. All right, so creating that should be able to prompt. So the only thing that we weren't able to get accomplished was the checklists don't actually store to the database, but the reminders do. So that's it for the functionality of the project. I actually just want to show some of the files working now. So back here we have controllers for, here's the home controller that has, connections to the DB context file that we created for the SQL Server database stuff. I've got a reminders controller that'll handle, connections with that, and then the checklist right here. We did have controllers for account for so you can sign in and stuff, but we didn't get around to actually implementing that. And then we have some models for the checklist right here, as well as for reminders, and then a few interfaces. Apart from that, we had views for account, checklists, reminders. Here's that index file that we had. We didn't get to implement, any real CSS into the project. We just didn't get around to it. And then we had some basic views for account information and login, but again, we didn't get into actually putting that in. So if we were looking back and trying to improve the project, I would go ahead and add stuff like account verification and stuff. We were able to add validation, and I am pretty proud of what we got accomplished with the database stuff, apart from our checklist not actually saving to the database. And then we did have some testing XUnit test files just for some of those controllers that we used in the models. But apart from that, these are just basic files. But I was pretty happy overall with the project, just apart from the checklists not working properly. But that'll be all for my video demo. Thank you very much.